Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to watch content without paying anything, Prime Video offers free ad-supported shows and movies, meaning you can watch for free with occasional ads. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to find free ad-supported shows on Prime Video in 2026 easily and effectively. Okay, so first thing first, open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app or website depending on what device you are using right now. Go to the home screen, like be ready to browse. Look for free sections, like scroll through homepage, find sections like free with ads, watch for free, freebie. Okay, so these sections show ad supported content. So open freebie. So if available, navigate to freebie section, like dedicated hub for free content. Browse titles, like explore movies and shows. So check trending or recommended content. So everything here is free with ads. Confirm it's free, like open a title, look for labels like free with ads. So it confirms no payment is needed. After that, start watching. So just watch. Okay, so content starts with occasional ads, not consistent ads. Okay, and there are some common mistakes that happen, like confusing include with Prime with free ads, expecting no ads, not checking labels before watching, or ignoring freebie section and thinking all free content is ad free. Okay, so free, it's the opposite of ad free. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. This is how to find free ad supported shows on Prime Video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.